Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you clear chats in Instagram. So let's go to Instagram first. After going to Instagram, you can see in the bottom right corner your profile icon. Click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, you can see in the top right three dash icon. Click on this. After clicking the three dash icon, you can see in the first option, settings option. Click on settings. After clicking on settings, you can see account option, which is under ads. Click on account. After clicking on account, you can see in the bottom second last option, switch to professional account. Click on professional account. After clicking on this, click on continue. Again click on bottom continue blue button. Again continue and again continue. Here you can see you can choose what best describe you. Just choose a thing, just like I'm choosing digital create. Hold a second, it might take a after that you can see you can choose creator or business. I'm just choosing creator. Click on next. After this you can see in the bottom OK button. Click on this. Here you can click on in the top left cross icon. Click on this. After that click on in the bottom left home icon. Here you need to click on in the top right messenger icon. You can see in the top right second last option. Click on this. After clicking on this, you can see you can choose any of your followers that you can clear chat. Here you can see in the bottom right delete option. After clicking it, you can delete any of the chats. So guys, this is how can you clear chats in Instagram. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.